Hello friend, I'm going to show you how you can run the script. If you have already downloaded the Docker desktop, um, you will find a button called terminal. Just open it, and in your case it will be clean like that. With this video I will send you a command which is this command. You can find it with this link, and you should copy the command. No worries about it. I will send you the command. You don't have to go to the link and command. I will send you it with this video. Alright, let's get back to the Docker and terminal. Just paste it here and hit enter. Now you have an image like that. Previously I don't have it. Now I have this repository. So you just need to hit this run icon and open this optional setting, and for the host port you will need to any random 4-digit number and click the run. Once if it is run, you should click the container and you will find this here. So if you click it, it will open the Streamlit app like that. So if you click get listing, you will get the list. I'm sorry. Okay, now the question is where you find the file. Alright, let's go back to the Docker again, and let's suppose this is our container. Click on it and you will find a tab called files. So if we go to the files, you can close the terminal, it's not needed. So if you go to the files, you will have a lots of directory here, but we are not interested on all over the directory. We only interested in F directory. If you expand it, you will find all the necessary files which I send you in the zip file. So this is the final CSV file. We have click the fetch get listing, and it will generate the final.csv. Let's remove it once again. Uh, let's remove this one also. Let's remove this one also. Okay. So now we don't have any file. We just only the keyword.txt file. Okay, let's run it again. Get listing and look at here. The file is generated. Okay, for additional keyword, you can go to the keyword.txt and edit file. You can add more keyword as you can do. So here is the keyword list which is open on here. Otherwise, you can add another keyword by typing here like this keyword and hit enter. If you go to the keyword.txt file again, you can see the new keyword, and also you can see that here. If I refresh it, I can see a new keywords like that. So if you need to remove it, you just remove it from here and save. That's it, my friend. This is how you can run the script. It is super easy.